Okay. Good evening, dear children.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. I would like to call your name. Nesani, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Pehansa, Disinu, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yenuka, very good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Dulina, good evening to you.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. Lindini, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Senara, very good evening to you.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. Senara, okay. Kenumi, good evening to her. Gagani, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Upeksha, Senuli, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Chenuti, and Aditi, good evening.
Good
Good
evening,
evening, sir.
Chetana, good evening to you.
Very good evening, sir.
Upeksha, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Rashmika, Yashmi, Ramiru, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Nimna, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, Netmi, Tinuka, Kasuni, everybody, good evening.
Good evening.
Okay,
Good
Kiran.
evening, sir.
Okay. Thank you for joining our English class. Please switch on your camera. Hasna, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Right. ඉස්සෙල්ල මට කියන්න රචනාව මට කෝල් කරලා කියපු සහ WhatsApp මට එවපු ළමයි අත උස්සන්න ඔතන ඉඳන්.
Sir, I
කෝල් කරලා මං හැබැයි ඔක්කොටම කිව්වා සිකුරාදා මට කියන්න එපා කියලා. මේ සමහර ළමයි අද කෝල් කරා ඉතින් අද මට වැඩේ වැඩි ආන්සර් කරගන්න බැරි වුණා.
Excuse me, sir.
සනුලි කිව්වා නිසඳි Pehansa, Yenuka, Lindini, Aditi, Chetana, ඒගොල්ලෝ මට රචනාව කිව්වා අනිත් ළමයි අපි රචනා තරගයක් තිබුණා දුලින තුන දන්නේ පන්ති අපිට කියන්නත් එදා මතක වුණා you were absent last week අපි රචනා තරගයේ ජයග්‍රාහකයින් තව මොහොතකින් අපි කියනවා
Excuse
I will
me,
tell
sir.
you the names මම ඒ නම් ටික කුමාර සර්ට දැන් රචනා තරගයේ කාලය අවසන් ආස්පදින්ද රාත්‍රියේ සම්නුණා හර්ෂ හිරඤ්ඤා good evening මම බලාපොරොත්තු වුණා රශ්කා හර්ෂි සාරදා ඔයගොල්ලෝ රචනාව මට කියයි කියලා නමුත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ කෝල් කරලා කිව්වේ නෑ
එදා මට එන්න බැරි වුණා ඉස්කෝලේ ක්ලාස් තිබ්බා.
right okay ඒ වුණත් රචනාව මොකක්ද කියලා දැනගෙන මට කිව්වනම් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට හරිම වටිනවා ඒක it would be very useful මම ලස්සන රචනා කීපයක් කරුවා යෙදුක ලස්සන රචනාවක් කිව්වා නිසඳි මම ඒ අතරින් දැන් කියන්නද නම් මුලින්ම එපාද එපානේ යෙදුක දැම්ම කියන්න
Please tell it, sir.
මම ළඟ තියෙනවා එන්න විනාශලගේ නම
Excuse me, sir.
මං තීරණය කරා මට කියපු ළමයි අතරින් ළමයි
Excuse me, sir.
සියලුම ලකුණු 75ට වැඩි සියලුම දෙනාට පෑනක් ග්‍රැෆික් අයි වෙතින් පෑනක් තැපෑලේ වන් ක්ලැප් කරමු අපිට 75ට වැඩි අයගේ නම් බං දැන් නම් ලයිස්තුවට කියන්නම් පළවෙනි නමට අපිට අයිති වෙනවා යෙනුක සදා ක්ලැප් ඥාන ප්‍රසන්නාදයක් ක්ලැප් ක්ලැප් යෙනුක are you happy
Yes, I'm very happy, sir.
right යෙනුක ඉතා හොඳ රචනාවක් නිර්මාණය කර තුන ඒකේ අඩුපාඩු තිබුණා නමුත් තාමත් හොඳ it was a very brilliant essay යෙනුක ඒක හොඳ කියන්නේ හරි මම හිතුවා යෙනුක මේ ඇත්ත දෙයක්ද ලිව්වේ yes sir real story Yenuka's grandmother lived I think lives in Kataragama am I correct
Yes, sir.
right And the second winner is Sanuli Imaya. Clap. Sanuli. මේ 75ට වැඩි ළමයින්ගේ නම් ලිස්ට් එක මං කියයි. And third winner සමාවෙන්න ඔක්කොම රචනා මට තෝරන්න බැරුණත් චේතනා. Clap. සංගමිත්ත කොලෙජ්. චේතනා ඔබට ග්‍රැෆික්ස්යි පෙන් එකක් මම ඉවනවා. කුමාර සර්ට පෑන් ටික මම මේ සතියේ බාර දෙනවා. හැබැයි first second third අයට පෑනට අමතරව තව චූටි තෑග්ගක් මොනවා හරි මම ඉවනවා. Right? මම next winner is Yerumi Sadinya. Clap.
Thank you, sir.
Right. Yerumi, ඔබට මම හිතන්නේ you will receive a nice pen. graphic එකයි. ඉතින් මට කරන්න දෙයක් නෑ. අනිත් ළමයි මම හොඳට රචනා කියෙව්වා. සමහර ලින්දිනික රචනාව මට ෆෝන් එකට වඩා මට ඉවල තිබුණා. මම ඒක කියෙව්වා. I read your essay. Next winner is Aditi Inishara. Clap.
You, sir.
Aditi, you had written a very good essay. Aditi මට මාව සම්බන්ධ කරගත්තේ 5-6 පාරක් කෝල් කරලා නේද? Aditi මට
Yes,
කෝල්
sir.
කරා දෙපාරක්. I did not answer. Again I called. She did not answer. Then again she called. මම රෑ 9 මාට කෝල් කරා. Your mother answered and told me, sir, Aditi is sleeping. Then I said, I am very sorry. ඊළඟ අම්මා වෙලාවක් ඉල්ලගත්තා sir. මං හෙට උදේ කෝල් කරන්න. Give me a time. මම යාට වෙලාවක් දුන්නා. හරියට ඒ වෙලාවට අම්මා කෝල් කරා. 7:45. ඒ වෙලාවේ දෙපාරක් විතර අදිති නේද? ෆෝන් එක ජෑම් වුණානේ. කට් වුණා නේද?
Yes, sir.
කට් වෙලා කොහොම හරි again I call. තව නම් දෙකයි තියෙන්නේ. කවුද ඊළඟ විනාශලා දෙන්නේ? Nesandi. Clap. Nesandi Sakya. Clap, clap. ඒ හැමෝම 75ට වැඩියයි.
Thank you, sir.
Last winner. මේ අතරින් තව එක විනර් කෙනෙක් අපි තෝරනවා සියලු ළමයින්ගේ රචනා 22ක් අතරින්. ළමයි මේ පන්තියේ 35ක් 40කට වැඩි ඉන්නවා. රචනා 25ක් විතර ඉවල තිබුණා. සමාවෙන්න ඔක්කොම රචනා මට තෝරන්න බෑ. And the next winner is Lindini Tiransa. Clap. මෙන්න ඔබගේ නම් ලිස්ට් එක මම දැන් කියන්නම්. ඒගොල්ලෝ තමයි අපි හැමෝම අප්‍රසන්නාද ඉරිෂාව නැතුව අපුනේ ඒ ළමයි ටික නැගිටින්න. stand up. Stand up from your seat. එළුක stand up. බලන්න අපි හිටගෙන ඉන්න අපේ Lions generation සිංහ පරම්පරාව. අනිත් අය ඔන්න ඉදිරියේදී වැඩක් දුන්නා. Okay. Now 1 2 3 clap. Everybody. Very good, very good. Okay, sit down. ඒ අතරින් මම first second third දැන් තෝරනවා. හැබැයි හැමෝගෙම රචනා ඉතා හොඳයි. More than 75. I will select first second and third places. දෙවන ස්ථාන දෙකක් තියෙනවා. මට third කියන්න බෑ. There are two second places. දෙවන ස්ථාන දෙකක් මේ අතර තියෙනවා. Aditi Inishara. Clap. Second place. Clap, clap, clap. Aditi, your essay has placed the second. Second කියන්නේ ලේසි නෑ. මේ පන්ති ඔක්කොම ඉන්නේ දක්ෂයෝ. හොඳම මම හොඳට ඒ රචනා සවන් දුන්නා. දෙවන ස්ථානය ලබා ගන්න another students එයා තමයි අද my teachers රාත්‍රියේ කවුද මේ කිරුල පනදින්නේ දෙවන ස්ථානය. But second place has been taken by Lindini Diansa. Clap. Lindini same marks. මම ඔය දෙන්නටම ලකුණු 90ක් ලබා දීලා තිනවා 90 marks, right? So when you go to school, tell your English teacher, tell your teachers that, and all Sri Lankan gave you 90 marks, right? මහලු ශ්‍රී ලංකානු වැසියෙක් ලකුණු 90ක් ලබා දුන් බව කියන්නේ, right? And all Sri Lankan gave you 90 marks. Now first place. ප්‍රථම ස්ථානයේ මම හිතුවා. හැබැයි මේ ළමයින්ගේ ලකුණු all your marks are tough to tough. දැන් අපි ගත්තොත් ඒ ළමයින්ගේ නම් මම කිව්වත් 83, 85, 88 කොහොමම තමයි තියෙන්නේ. ඔබ ලියන ස්ටයිල් එක අනුව රචනාවේ අදහස් ඔක්කොම very good. හැබැයි your style එක අනුව මම first place එක අද තෝරනවා in your essay competition. මම message දෙකුත් කුමාර සර්ට අද රැට දානවා ඔබගේ නම් සහිත. And the first place, කවුද මේ අද? My teachers.lk essay master. ඇත්තම essay master දෙන්නෙක් නම් කිව්වා අදිති and රින්දිනි. First place Nesadi Shakya.
Thank you.
Nesadi, you have won the first place, right? Sadi,
Sir,
ප්‍රථම
who
ස්ථානය
was the third place?
මම මේ රචනාවත තේරුවේ බොහොම අවංකව. මේ ළමයි ඔක්කොන්ටම මම ආදරේ. I love all the students. වෙන ළමයි රචනා ඔබේ රචනාව තේරුම් නැතුණාට ගණන් ගන්න එපා. If your essay has not been selected among the best, ලකුණු 75ට අඩු ළමයි ඉන්දියා යෙනුක. හරි මම ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ නම් මට හැමෝන්ගේම නම් කියාගෙන යන්න බෑනේ නේද? I can't tell all the names. ඒ නිසා මම හොඳම රචනා ටික අතගදුවා. ඔබට my teachers .lk වෙතින් graphic කයි special pen එකක් ලැබෙවි. ඔයගොල්ලගේ මම කුමාර සර්ගේ පෑන. ඒ වගේම first second third ආයත පුළුවන් වුණොත් මම ටක් ගාලා කාඩ් එකක් නිර්මාණය කරලා ඔබේ නම print කරලා මේ පාරේ වුණා මේ පාරේ යම් එකකින් මිස් වුණොත් ඔබගේ ඇඩ්‍රස් එක පෞද්ගලිකව මම ඒක එවනවා අනිවාර්යෙන්ම පෑන් නම් එවන්න පුළුවන් but I can send you, right? Again many congratulations to all of you, and again the names Chetana, Sanuli, Tindini, Yenuka, Yelumi, Nesadi and Aditi. 7 pupils, 7 flowers. අපි ඒගොල්ලන්ට කියනවා 7 flowers කියන. පිරිමි ළමයින්ගෙන් ගෑනු ළමයි 6 දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. එකම එක පිරිමි පරාණයයි ඉන්නේ. යෙනුක විතරයි සටන් කරලා. යෙනුක very good. යෙනුක අපි අතාරින්නේ නේද? We will not give up.
Yes, sir.
දුලිනත් ඉරියනම් හොඳයි මේ සටනේ දුලින අපි తాවකාලිකව පොඩි විශ්‍රාම ගිහිල්ලා තිබුණේ සතියක්. දුලින ඉරියනම් ලොකු සටනක් දෙනවා මෙයා ළමයි. දුලින අපි we will see next time. Okay, next time.
Okay, sir.
Right. Now I am going to start our tutorial. What is the page? Lindy, what is the page we have to do?
Page number 3.
Uh,
Page number 3.
ඔබ ලියපු රචනා ටික යෙනුක ඒ රචනා ටික සර්ගේ WhatsApp අංකයට එවන්න පුළුවන්ද? මට කෝල් කරලා කියපු රචනා.
Okay, sir, I can.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir, I can.
Okay,
Nesadi,
sir.
please send it.
Okay, sir.
යෙනුමි ස්ථානය ලකුණකින් දශමින් තමයි මිස් වීගෙන යන්නේ. යෙනුමි send it. යෙනුමට
Okay,
උනේ
sir.
රචනාවේ past tense දෙක තුනක් වැරදුනා නේද යෙනුමි?
Only 2, sir.
නැත්නම් your ideas are very good, right? Okay, right. අනිත් අයටත් මම රචනා යශ්මි දක්ෂ ළමෙක් යශ්මියි රචනාව මට කිව්වේ නැත්තේ යශ්මි what is the problem? Use
Speak, I can't join, sir.
right.
I'm not at
ඔබ
home.
ලකුණු නැතත් මට එවන්න. What is the page we have to start Lindini today?
Page number 3.
Page number 3.
Page number 3. Okay. A day at the circus. Activity number 5 වලට අපි චුට්ටක් කියනවා. Before that, again I would like to ask මම ළමයට කියන්න to read this paragraph. Yenumi, can you read this paragraph? I went to a famous Chinese circus.
Okay, sir. I went to a famous Chinese circus with my family. It was very interesting. There were 3 monkeys dressed in pink coats and blue trousers. They rode on grey horses and waved tiny red hats. Growling tigers jumped through flaming hoops. Clowns with painted faces and big red noses did a lot of funny things. A beautiful girl in a bright blue dress worked on the tightrope. A juggler threw many colorful balls in the air and caught them. Huge elephants sat on tiny stools. It was a wonderful circus.
Right. Shall I ask Durina to read half of the paragraph, Durina?
Okay, sir. I went to a famous Chinese circus with my family. It was very interesting. There were 3 monkeys dressed in pink coats and blue trousers. They rode on grey horses and waved tiny red hats. Growling tigers jumped through flaming hoops. Clowns with painted faces and big red noses did a lot of funny things. A beautiful girl in a bright blue dress walked on a tightrope. A juggler threw many colorful balls in the air and caught them. Huge elephants sat on tiny stools. It was a wonderful circus.
Right. Now, activity number 5. Find the words that are used to describe the following words. අපේ spoken පන්තියේ අද පාඩම adjectives. Adjectives are the words to describe words. I'll write a sentence. Yashmi is a clever girl. Please read this sentence, everybody.
Yashmi is
a clever girl.
What is the word which is used to describe Yashmi? Yashmi or විස්තර වෙන වචනේ මොකක්ද? Clever. Clear? So you can write here the word girl. The describing word is clever. 1, 2, 3. ඒ වගේ හැමෝම ලියන්න මේ වචන විස්තර කරන horses. Yenuka, what is the word used to describe horses?
Ashwaya.
High-end කියන්න.
Ashwaya.
Coats. Yenumi coats.
pink coats.
Tigers. Nadel. Tigers. Dulina, tigers.
Growling tigers.
Growling. Lindini, monkeys.
Three monkeys.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Everybody please write. හැමෝම ලියන්නේ වචන ටික describing words. Question number, activity number 5. Lamain server, can you hear the teacher?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I can hear you properly.
Ayyan can you hear Nisandi?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
Yenumi, have you finished writing?
Yes, sir, I have finished my work.
Okay, okay. It is not a difficult lesson. One by one, let's start answers. Pehansa, I am very sorry you called me 5:15. ඔයා මට call කරේ 5යි කාලට. මං driving seat එකේ වාඩි වෙනවත් එක්කම class එකට එන්න. So I can't listen to your essay වෙලාවේ මට බෑ.
Yes, sir. After that, I send voice message for you.
Yes. Now, why didn't you call me before that? Tuesday, Monday.
No, right now.
That's the problem. I told you always, if you want to give me an essay, call me Sunday, Monday.
Yes, I understand.
Lindini has sent me the essay 3-5 days before. Quickly send. Aditi called me 3 days. Nesandi 3 days ago. And Yenuka 3 days, 2 days ago. Yenuka mata call kala tibuna rෑ වෙලාවක නේ Yenuka. Night. I did not answer. Yenuka එහෙම නේද?
Yes, sir.
Yes, he called me at night 2 times. I did not answer because I was in a class. Next day morning, I called him.
I have done my work, sir.
Right.
Sir, I have done.
Chatumi, ඔබ රචනාව ලියන්න ඕන අපේක්ෂා. Dulina, you also can write how I spend my Sunday.
Okay, sir.
තරගයක් නැතත් I can give you marks. හැබැයි ඔබ තරගෙට ඉන්දිය නම් මං හරි සතුටුයි. You are in the competition. මට කෝල් කරලා ඇහුවා නම් I sir මේ මොකද්ද රචනාව කියලා I can give you right details. Okay, answers one by one. Yashmi, horses.
Grey horses.
Grey horses. Sanuli, courts. Tigers, Dulina.
Rolling tigers.
Okay. Harshi, monkeys. Chetana, hats.
Red hats.
චේතන අද ඉන්න තැන වෙනස් වෙලා වෙනදනම් ඔයා හොඳට පේනවා. What has happened අද ටිකක් පෙනීම අඩුයි.
Today, my brother has class.
Okay, Dua, no problem, no problem. Lindini, trousers.
Blue trousers.
Okay. Kasuni, Amanda, hoops. Lakshmi, Savidya.
Flaming hoops.
Yes, flaming hoops. Faces, Lakshmi faces. Aditi, noses.
Big red noses.
Okay, okay. Yenuka, girl.
Bad girl.
Huh?
Bad girl.
Bad girl. මේකේ තියෙන්නේ මොකක්ද ළමයි?
Beautiful.
Beautiful girl.
Beautiful girl. Yenuka, beautiful girl. Don't write bad girls. Yenuකට කාර්යය ගෑනමේ බැලලා තියෙන එකයි. Bad girl කියලා. Next one. Upeksha, dress. Colorful dress. Rashka, balls. Okay. Last one. Pehansa, elephants.
Hat elephant.
Okay, okay.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
the answer is the adverb for the dress is not colorful dress. In this small paragraph, there is bright blue dress.
Ah,
Yes.
bright blue dress. Okay, okay, okay. Right, right. Now page number 4. Refer to the table and write sentences. මේ වගුව බලලා වගන්ති ලියන්න ඕන. Please take out the writing book. The new, my elder, dark, the last, the hungry. Turn to page number 4. Hands up those who can build up the first sentence. පළමු වගන්තිය කාටද කියන්න පුළුවන් මේක කල්පනා කරලා බලන්න. දක්ෂයට පුළුවන්.
Sir, I
Don't
can.
shout. Don't shout. Hands up. අපි දෙමු අපේ essay master නිසඳි. Can you read number 1?
Yes, sir. The new secretary delivered the welcome speech.
අන්න right. පැන්සලෙන් පොඩ්ඩක් යා කරගන්නකොට the new secretary delivered the welcome speech. Nimna number 2.
My elder sister bought me a nice dog.
Yes, my elder sister bought me a nice doll. Dulina number 3.
Dark clouds gathered before the rain.
Good. Dark clouds gathered before the rain. Dark clouds gathered before the rain. Aditi number 4.
The last bus left at 11:30 p.m.
Very good. The last bus left at 11:30 p.m. Number 5. Please tell me Sinara.
The hungry dog begged for food.
Beg for food. Again, Yenuka Paswan. Yenuka, can you tell me Paswan, the new secretary?
The new secretary the welcome speech. For food.
The new secretary delivered the welcome speech. Lindini number 2.
My elder sister bought me a nice dog.
Yes. Yenumi number 3.
Dark clouds gathered before the rain.
Harshi Hiranya number 4.
The last bus left at 11:30 p.m.
Final one, Pasuni Amanda. The hungry dog begged for food. Okay, write sentences in the book. Hurry up.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm sorry. That time was I had a signal jam. That's why I cannot hear you on that time.
Yes. Why can't you switch on your video, Buddha?
Oh, sorry. I forgot it.
Okay. Shaven, good evening. Why are you late today?
Sir, yes, sir.
Huh?
Sir,
I have some exam, sir. I am
Exam.
do a I don't look time, sir.
It's okay, no problem. Then වැඩි කරගෙන යන පුතා page number 4. Okay. Cameras ඊළම ළමයි on කරගන්න, switch on your cameras. මට එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලෝ හොඳට පේනවා. I can see you very well. I can ask questions. ශවෙන් අපි කරන්න පුතා activity number 6 page number 4. You have to write sentences. ඒ වගේම නෙත්මි ලක්මි switch on the camera කසුනි අද මම දෙසැම්බර් මාසයට සම්බන්ධ විශේෂ නිබන්ධනය කුමාර සර්ට මේල් කළා යවුවා. ඒක තියෙනවා dictation නැවත වරක් grade 7 නිසඳි spell master dictation 40 words. වචන 10 sets වෙනම යවුවා හතරක් 40 words. Some activities, a poem. Grade 7 පොතේ activities හතරක් දාලා තියෙනවා. අබ්දුල් කලාම් ඉන්දියන් 11th wife president ගැන විශේෂ ඡේදයක් දාලා ඇති. ඔබ ඒ ටියුට් එක ඉක්මනින් ගන්න. කුමාරසයි ටියුට් එක මම හිතන්නේ තව දවස් දෙකකින් print කරනවා. ඉක්මනින්ම ඒ අදාළ ළමයි order කරලා දුර ළමයි ගෙන්න ගන්න. English ටියුට් එක. හැබැයි පිටු හුඟක් නෑ මේ පාර. there are 8 pages. පිටු 8යි December issue because අපිට මේකෙත් තව භාගයක් තියෙන නිසා.
Sir.
ඒ වගේම කවියකුත් දැම්ම නිකොලි rich and poor. පොහොසත් සහ දුප්පත් කවියක්. You are rich, I am poor. Right?
No, sir.
Huh?
You are rich too, but not a lot.
Yes. You don't know about the teacher. Huh? The teacher has a very small house, only one room, 2 chairs.
No, sir. I saw, sir.
Don't say
Your
like
house is
that.
very big.
Huh?
Sir,
Your house is very big.
sir, I saw your video.
Video.
Yes,
Sir, don't tell lie.
yes, you sent me a video.
Right. Did you listen to the song?
Yes,
Me too.
Right.
very beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Read the sentences now. Sentence number 1. Ahasna. Camera on කරගන්න පුළුවන්ද? Can you start number 1? Okay, Rashka number 1.
New secretary delivered the welcome speech.
Nadev number 2.
My sister brought me a nice doll.
Sanuli number 3.
The clouds gather before the rain.
Okay. Gagani number 4.
The last bus left at 11:30 p.m.
Upeksha number 5.
The hungry dog begged for food.
Beg for food. Right. Activity number 7. Mang spoken panthiyet me story ke damma ඔබ බලන්න. One day a father of a very wealthy family took his son on a trip to the country to show how poor people live. දවසක් තාත්තා කෙනෙක් father of a wealthy. Do you know the word wealthy? What is the meaning of wealthy?
පොහොසත්.
Pohosat.
Pohosat.
Yes. Right. You all are wealthy people. Huh?
No, sir, we
No,
all
sir.
are medium people. Not
Huh?
rich
This
and not poor.
time we are poor man.
Huh.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Anyway, you are rich in education. That is what I need. ඔබ පොහොසත් මුදල් වලින් නෙමෙයි අධ්‍යාපනය. ඒකයි වටින්නේ. You all are rich in education. Your teacher is very rich in education.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, we need somebody. Richness can be, පොහොසත් බව can be measured by what?
Education.
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 Education. අධ්‍යාපනයෙන් පොහොසත් අය තමයි ඇත්තටම පොහොසත් අය. Okay. One day a father of a very මෙයානම් මුදල් තියෙන තාත්තා කෙනෙක් took his son on a trip to the country. Do you know the word country? What is the meaning of
Yes.
country? Not
ගම
රට. ගම.
ගම පැත්ත බලන්න කියන එක තියෙන්නේ තේරුම එතන.
අන්න right. එයාව ගමකට එක්කන් ගියා. To show how poor people live. Do you know how poor people live, Yashmi? Huh?
No, sir.
Don't know.
Yes, sir. In my mother's village is Batiklo. In there, very poor people are living. Excuse me. Small houses.
They don't have new clothes, small houses.
Yeah, the houses are
swimming-
not strong much.
Right.
Not luxury.
Now listen. Not
But they
luxurious.
have big garden.
Beautiful.
Yes. ඔන්න එහෙනම් ගියා. They met a poor farmer who lived on their farm. දුලින, they met a poor farm family. ගොවි පවුලක් හම්බුණා. The father got permission from them to stay for a few days with them. I am the farmer. දැන් මම ගොවිය කියලා හිතන්නකෝ. මන් ළඟට එනවා දුලින, rich man. Excuse me, sir. Can I spend a few days here at a nice house? Okay, sir. You can stay. Dulina stayed with his wife and family. Huh? At my farm. I am a farm. The farm making now they were with this small son. They met a poor family arrived. After spending a couple of days. How many days?
2 days.
2 days.
Yes. They stayed there 2 days. Right? Couple of days they started returning home. On their return, father asked his son, how was the trip? Normally, do you know? ඔගොල්ලෝ තාත්තල ශවෙන් ට්‍රිප් එකක් ගියාම අහනෝ නේද පුතා කොහොමද ට්‍රිප් එක? ජෙනුක
Yes,
තාත්තා
sir.
අහනෝ නේද? අම්මා අහනවා. නේද? තාත්තා අහනෝ නේද කොහොමද ට්‍රිප් එක කොහොමද ගමන? ජෙනුමි එහෙම අහනෝ නේද ඉදුවා?
Yes, sir. We go on a trip and shopping in all the malls in that area.
Yes. Then after that, mother, father, they used to ask, පුතා, ශවෙන් තාත්තා අහනෝ නේද ට්‍රිප් එකක් ගියාම අම්මයි? කොහොමද පුතා ලොකු පුතා ට්‍රිප් එක? How is the trip? Yes. Then you might answer. ඔබ උත්තර දෙනවා. Yes, that's a nice trip. Okay.
It was great.
It was great. Sure. Top name. After spending a couple of days, they started returning home. On their return, father, did you see how poor people live? තාත්තා අහනවා චතුමි ඔබ දැක්කද දුප්පත් අය ජීවත් වෙන විදිය? Did you see how poor people live? Did you see how poor people live? Father asked, why not? Replied the son. ඇයි නැත්තේ? Now please read Lindini. මේ දෙබස ඉතුරු ටික කියවන්න දුව හිමීට. Can you read slowly?
Teacher, sir, from the beginning of the,
Not last paragraph.
so tell me what you learned from the trip, asked the father. The son answered, I saw that we have one dog and they had 4. We have a pool that reaches to the middle of our garden, and they have a creek that has no end. We have imported lanterns in our garden, and they have stars at night. We have a small piece of land to live on, and they have fields that go beyond our sight. We have servants who serve us, but they serve others. We buy our food, but they grow food. We have a wall around our property to protect us. They have friends to protect them.
Okay. The father, දැක්ක දෙයා පුතා පහදලා දුන්න තාත්තට. My dear father. I learned many things. I saw we have one dog, but they had
4 dogs.
four dogs.
Order.
Right. We have a swimming pool, but they have a very big river. මෙතන ලස්සන වචනයක් තියෙනවා වචන ඉගෙන ගන්න creek. Creek කියන්නේ ගංගාව. CREEK creek කියන්නේ ගංගාව දියපාර. දොල අපේ වචනෙන් දොල කියලා කියන්නේ creek. Have you ever bathed in a creek? දොලක නාලා තියෙනවද?
Me.
Yes,
Last
sir.
week
Yes,
was-
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We love to take a bath in creek.
Right. ඒ කාලේ සින්දුවකුත් තියෙනවා. දොල ළඟ ගුරු පාර දිගේ ඒවි සිනහ පපා ටිකි නග.
Yes, sir.
ඈ තේරෙනවද? දොලෙන් නාලා එහෙම එනවා. කවුද යාගේ නම? ටිකිරි නග. අපි පොඩි කාලේ අහපු සින්දු හරි ලස්සනයි.
Yes, sir. It's interesting.
අහන් ඉන්න. Now we have imported lanterns. අපේ ගෙදර තියෙනවා තාත්තා පිට රටින් ගෙනාපු විදුලි ලාම්ප. Hands up those who have imported lamps. ගෙදර ලස්සන විදුලි ලාම්පු තියෙන අත උස්සන්න බෑ. මං ඉල්ලන්නේ බය නැතුව අත උස්සන්න. ළමයි දැන් අත උස්සන්නේ එනක ගෙදර ලස්සන විදුලි පහන් තියෙන විදුලි පහන් තියෙන ලස්සන lights නේ එනක සමහර අය අත උස්සන්නේ මං ඉල්ලාවි කියලානේ. හරි. Right. They have very beautiful lanterns. හැබැයි සර්ලා ගෙදර මොනවද තියෙන්නේ? Stars. තරු තියෙනවා. ලෝකෙට මා ලෝකයේ දෙන්න. Stars. මගේ තරු ටික තමයි මේ ඉන්නේ. කවුද තරු ටික? ගෙනුමි, ශවෙන්, පෙරන්සා, ගගනි, චතුනි, රාෂ්කා, උපේක්ෂා, නදේව්. ඇයි මෙතන ඉන්නෝනේ? Spell stars, essay stars, reading stars, නේද? Beautiful stars. ඔක්කොම.
Kids. Handsome.
Right. Handsome stars. Okay.
You forgot voice.
They have stars at night. Then එහෙනම් මට කියන්න who is richer? How the පොහොසත් man or farmer?
Farmer.
Do you like this man's life or farmer's life?
Farmers.
Farmer's life.
Do you
Life.
Aditi, do you like to live on a farm?
Yes, sir.
Amana,
I like,
I like.
but I lived on a farm 2 days.
okay, not all days. Lindini, do you like to live on a farm?
I would like to stay a few days, but not.
Have you seen the film Siri Rajasiri?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So yes, in the
many
film you
times.
can see that Sirimal, he was riding on a Miharaka, buffalo.
Yes, sir. It is one of my favorite foods.
Yes. Then he
Sir,
bathed
not
in waters. He
Uh,
can swim. What is
sir.
his name?
Siri Parakum.
Not Siri Parakum, but his
Oh,
name
sir.
is
Siri Rajasiri.
Siri Rajasiri is the film. What is the name of the boy?
Sirima.
Siriman.
Sirima.
Right. අන්න බලන්න ඔබටත් ඒ වගේ දක්ෂ ළමෙක් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. He is a village boy. He educates quite well. Okay. Now please answer the questions. තාත්තට කියනවා තාත්තේ අපි දුප්පත් කියලා පෙන්නුවට බොහොම ස්තුතියි. Thank you for showing how poor we are. Now it means farmers are richer than we. කොවියෝ අපට වඩා. Awesome.
Sir, we are wasting money for take vegetables, fruits and other things. They don't waste their money.
Yes, yes. Hands up those who have a swimming pool at home. ගෙදර කාට තියෙන swimming pool? Nobody. Hands up those who have a big garden. වත්තක් තියෙන අය ටිකක් ලස්සන ලොකු beautiful garden. Big නැතත් කමන beautiful garden. Hands up those who have. Who keeps your garden beautiful this year?
Our family members.
Members. Enemy who keeps the garden clean?
My mother and us.
My mother, yes. Nadev, do you have a beautiful garden?
Yes, sir.
Good. Nesanthi, do you have a beautiful garden?
Yes, sir, I have.
Nesanthi has a beautiful room too. Yeah, ලස්සන කාමරයකුත් තියෙනවා. I have a very small garden too.
No, sir.
Huh?
No, sir.
I saw, sir.
How?
Why, sir?
Eh? Tulina දැක්ක නේද TV?
I saw your
Through the Zoom meeting.
Video.
Sir, through the Zoom, yes, sir. Through the Zoom meeting.
Ah, right. Zoom meeting එකේ දවසක් මම garden එකේ ඉඳන් class එක කරා නිකොලි. I did the class in the garden. She saw. Okay. Right. Please write answers. Huh? Harshi, once you told me that did you go to your mother's village? Where is it?
Batiklo.
Batiklo. Okay. Huh? How many times have you been there?
More than 100 times.
100 times. Okay, good. How do poor people live? Did you see how they live?
They are very poor, and sometimes some homes are now rich and very designed. Our grandmother's mother's home is like poor home, but now it's rich. Little bit. We have two steps.
Okay. Nadev, where is your grandmother's house?
In Homagama.
Omagama. Have you been there?
Yes, of course, sir.
Yes. Do you like to go there?
Yes, sir.
Right. Good. Dula, where is your grandmother's house?
Opposite our house.
Opposite your house. You can always go there.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Has it got a big garden?
Yes, sir.
Senara, where is your grandmother's house?
Opposite our home, sir.
Okay. You can always go there and disturb your grandmother.
Yes, sir.
Aditi, where is your grandmother's house?
In Tangal.
In Tango. Huh? Have you been there?
Yes, sir.
Do you like to go there?
Yes, sir. I like it very much.
Very much. Good. Shaven, where is your grandmother's house?
Sir, my mother's mother or father's mother?
Mother's mother.
In Moratuva, sir.
Moratuva. Have you been there?
Yes, sir.
Have you visited?
Yes, sir.
Where is your father's mother's?
Candy, sir.
Candy. Nice. Have you been there?
Yes, sir.
Good, good, good. Right. අපි උත්තර ටික එහෙමින් බලමු. මම ඔබගෙන් ඕපදූප ඇහුවට සමාවෙන්න. Please excuse me for ඕපදූප. Yenuka. Yenuka, where is your grandmother's house? You wrote in the essay. Yenuka නෑ. Yenuka essay එකේදී ලියලා තිබුණා. Yenuka, where is your grandmother's house?
My grandmother house is Kataranga.
කතරගම. Yenuka sir කතරගම යනවා මේ ඉරිදා. Okay. This Sunday, Nesandi, I am going to Kataragam.
My mother grandmother's house is Kataranga.
Sella Kataragam?
Yes, sir.
Right, right. එහෙනම් මං හොයාගෙන ගිහිල්ලා ආන Yenuka මధుරනෝද? I am a policeman. I want to catch him. Please give me details about Yenuka Sadahas. Grandmother, no, don't know. හරි. වෙලාව නම් මදි නැත්තම් මං අයිත් එක තාම කොවිඩ් පීරියඩ් එක තියෙන්නේ නැතිනම් මම මාතර දුව ඔයගොල්ලෝ විසිට් කරගෙන තමයි යන්නේ. ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ පොත් බලලා දැකලා යන්න ආසයි. අපේ නෙසඳ ඉන්නව මාතරින්. තව මම හිතන්නේ දිසිනු මාතර මට හිතෙන විදියට පුදුසරද නැහැ.
Candy.
Candy, no? Pudasara කෙනෙක් ඉන්දියා යා දැන් නැහැ. Yenuka is from Matara. We will see. Okay. Did you write answers?
Yes, sir. Give me 1 minute. I am in 4th question.
Chetana, where is your grandmother's house?
So my grandmother is our home.
In your house. Good, good. You have a very beautiful garden. Huh? Then sir, කිව්වනේ COVID ඉවරුණාම අපි එනවා කියලා නේ. Do you welcome the teacher? Hands up those who welcome the teacher. කොහොමද sir ආදරෙන් පිළිගන්න අය? Welcome the teacher.
Sir, whatever you need, I will give it to you.
Thank you, thank you. I need only a cup of tea.
Okay, I can make tea.
Yes, you must not disturb your mom or dad. You go to the kitchen and make.
Yeah.
Right. When I come to Nadev's house,
Heater.
Nadev, you also should make a cup of tea for me.
Okay, sir. I know how to make cup of tea.
Good, good, good. අපි ඒකටත් දෙමු නේද? Tea master.
How did
right?
Okay,
give
sir.
marks.
You taste our tea.
I'll see. I'll taste it very right silently, and I will bring a half sheet and give you marks. Nicole, cup of tea, 93 marks.
Excuse me,
Bulina, like that marks.
Yes, sir. You should taste.
හැබැයි දුලින තමයි එකෙන් දිනන්නේ. මොකද දුලින ළඟ තියෙනවා හරිම රසවත් තේ පානයක්. දුලින can win. එයාගේ රහසක් තියෙනවා. He has a very tasty packet of tea at home always. Right. Question number 1. Aditi, why did father want to take his son to live with the poor family?
show how poor people live.
To show how poor people live. To show how poor people live. Kobalane ke liye plama hands up to shoot. Please, Gagani number 2. Where did the poor family live?
On their farm.
on their farm, on a farm. Hands up. Dulina, which sentence in the paragraph says, Vagantiya mukadda kiyawenni? The son enjoyed the trip. The son was very happy. What is the sentence?
How was the trip? It was great, Dad, son replied.
Make it no putta. It was great, Dad. That is the sentence. Correct. Ekaneda Vagantiya. It was.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It was great, Dad.
Yes, sir. I wrote it.
Number 4, Sarada, write 2 differences between the rich family and the poor family. Venaskam dekak tiyan.
It saw that we have one dog. They had 4 dogs. We have a pool and they have middle of.
But idea is correct, answer is not correct. Adahas hari unata ගැලපීම නිවැරදි නෑ. Nesadi, how can you answer the එක ගලපල කොහොමද කියන්නේ?
Rich family have one dog and poor family had 4.
Anna has to. The rich family has 1 dog and the poor family has 4 dogs. That's the farmer's family. Aditi, another idea. Ek adahas.
Rich,
Aditi, can you tell me?
rich family buy their food, but poor family grow food.
Yes, rich family buys their food, but the poor family grows their food. Esakuradana family singular nisa. Rich family buys their. Then ogolo elolu gidravavan, you buy vegetables from the market. Hands up those who grow vegetables. Elolu avadaya to sana.
But some vegetables only.
So I also some vegetables. I use some vegetables.
We cannot grow carrot and other things. Carrot, beetroot, like
No
other.
problem. Kobala elolu avadaya. දැන් මං එනකොට ලොකු බෑග් දෙක තුනක් කාර් එකේ දාන්නේ. I will right take a few bags necessarily.
I can.
Yes, please.
I can supply you.
Yes, please fill the bag with vegetables and put it inside the dicky. Yeah?
You can have tomato and other some items.
Sure. ඒවටත් මම ලකුණු දෙනවා හොඳද? Vegetable mask.
Okay, sir. If you want, I will deliver.
Right, thank you. Thank
Yes,
you.
please send your address.
May come from the road, the Khataragama road.
Another difference, Yashmi, can you tell me another difference? තව වෙනසක් කියන්න.
The rich men have lanterns in their garden, and the poor people have stars and tonight.
Yes, rich people have lanterns, but poor people have stars. Lindri, can you tell me another idea? Avattadas.
Rich people have servants to serve them, but poor people serve others.
Very good. Very good. ඒ අදහස් වලින් දෙක. Huh? Do you have servants to serve food? Huh? ඔයගොල්ලන්ගත් ඉන්නෝ නේද servants ලා? මන් දන්නව ඉන්නවා.
No, sir.
Hands up those who have servants. කොහමද ගෙදර සේවකයෝ ඉන්න අය?
Sir,
Hands
there
up.
There was a servant for us 6 or 8 years ago.
8 years. Nadev, you have a servant.
Yes, sir.
Right, right. මම කියන ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඔක්කොන්ටම servants ලා ඉන්නවා. Your mother is the first servant.
No, sir. It's only
Right?
for we are babies.
No, no. Amma neda දැන් කෑම ඉයලා එවන්නේ. Mother is a
Yes,
servant.
sir.
Father is also a servant. Why? Father goes out and buys things. He is also a servant. You are the king. Right? Spend life like a king. Eh? කොබලන්නේ එළවලු තමන්ගේ සල්ලි වලින් එළවලු කියලා මත උස්සන් those who buy vegetables from your pocket money. No, no. Then your father, Januka, your mother is,
We haven't pocket money.
yes. Then your mother is the servant, you are the king. King Januka Sadahas, Januka Rajatuma. Like that. Now we are a town. I'm very hungry. You order food, bring me a cup of tea, arrange my bed, wash my clothes, give me money, pay my online class fees. You give orders.
No, sir. I not
Hurry.
give order.
Sometimes we do.
Number 5. Rashka, find opposite words. Viruddha pada. Exported. Asha, can you tell me opposite Viruddha pada? Export. Who can answer?
Sir, I
Aditi,
can. I am Nadev.
Sir, I can.
Nadev and Aditi, what is the answer?
Imported.
Imported. Nadev will say, sir, in our shop there are imported items. Imported
sir.
dress item. Imported. Pitaratin ginna.
Very easy.
Imported pair of sunglasses. Imported kyanne pitaratin. Imported vehicles, imported perfumes, imported dresses, export. Apanayani.
Imported plants.
Yes. Start.
End.
Upeksha.
And
End.
End. ඒක ලකුණු දෙන්න මෙන්න මෙහෙමයි. First question 2 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks. Fourth question 1 and 1, 2 marks. Fifth question 1 and 1, 2 marks. Marks out of 10. හරිම ලස්සන කතාවක්. මට මේක තව දෙපාරක් විතර කියවන්න.
Sir, can we read the story?
Wait a while.
Sir, make teams. And we can make a reading game.
Yes, sir. Then you can give marks for us.
Yes, sir. Last time you
Yes,
just...
sir. Make teams and give our marks.
Yes, sir.
Right. Reading master game. Give me 1 minute until I drink a sip of water.
Okay, sir.
I am very thirsty. Jeremy, you have water at home. I have no water. I have no servant. I am my servant. I myself serve myself.
But when you was a little boy, your mom and father are servants.
Okay. Right. Do you want water? Hands up those who are thirsty.
No, sir, I drank some water.
Pehansa wants water. She hands up. Pehansa, I will send it by courier service.
No, sir, don't hands up.
Right. Reading master. ඔන්න එහෙනම් පළමු හතර දෙක. අහස්නාද කැමරාව කැඩලා දිදුව හැස්සුව කැමරා broken.
I think so, sir. In ICT classes, I did not show her camera.
And voice also. Ahasna, can you hear the teacher? Melanie also. I think she does not speak in the class, Melanie, for the last month. Melanie ගිය මාසෙම කතා කරේ නේ පන්තියේදී. I told her mother also. Right. On a reading master. Do you like Tarangedi
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Right. මෙන්න පළවෙනි ටීම් එක Nesadi, Yenuka, Lindini and
I.
Aditi. Nesadi, Yenuka, Lindini, Aditi. Nesadi start. මම ස්ටොප් එක නතර කරලා නතර කරපු කෙනා ඇත්තට ඉඳන් පටන් ගන්න ඕනේ බලාගෙන ඉන්න Yenuka 1 2 3.
One day, a father of a very wealthy family took his son on a trip to the country to show how poor people live. They met a very poor family who lived on their farm. The father got permission from them to stay for a few days with them. After spending a couple of days, they started returning.
Enough, Yenuka.
On their return, the father asked his son, "How was the trip?" "It was great, Dad." Son replied, "Did you see how poor people live?" The father asked, "Why not?" Replied the son, "So, tell me what you learned from the trip." Asked the
Enough,
father.
Lindini.
The son answered, I saw that we have one dog and they had 4. We have a pool that reaches to the middle of our garden, and they have a creek that has no end. We have imported lanterns in our garden, and they have stars at night. We have a small piece of land to live on, and they have fields that go beyond our sight. We have
Enough.
silk.
Next one, Aditi.
We have servants to serve us, but they serve others. We buy our food, but they grow food. We have a wall around our property to protect us. They have friends to protect them. The father was speechless. Then the son added, Thanks, Dad, for showing me how poor we are.
Very good. Clap group A. Right. Group B, Nadev, Sarada, Dulina, Yashmin. Right. Nadev, you can get a kickstart first. Start.
One day, a father of a very wealthy family took his son on a trip to the country to show how poor people live. They met a very poor family who lived on their farm. The father got permission from them to stay for a few days with them. After spending a couple of days,
Enough, Sarada.
After spending a couple of days, they started returning home. On their return, the father asked his son, How was the trip? It was great, Dad, son replied. Did you see how poor people live? The father asked. Why not? Replied the son.
Enough. Dulina.
So tell me what you learned from the trip, asked the father. The son answered, I saw that we have one dog and they have 4. We have a pool that reaches to the middle of our garden, and they have a creek that was no end. We have imported lanterns in our garden, and they have stars at night.
Enough,
Yashmin.
Yashmin.
Yes, sir. We have a small piece of land to live on, and they have fields to go beyond our sight. We have servants to serve us, but they have served others. We buy our food, but they grow food. We have a small around our property to protect us. They have friends to protect them.
How theory?
Oh, sorry, sir. The father was speechless.
Then the son added, "Thanks, Dad, for showing me how poor we are."
Right. Clap them. Team number 3. Rashka, Kagadi, Senara, and Nicoli. Okay, start. Number 1, Rashka.
One day, a father of a wealthy family took his son on a to the country to show how poor people live. They met a very poor family who lived on their farm. The father got permission from them to stay for 5 days with them. After spending a couple of days, they started returning home. On
Enough.
their
Next
return,
one.
the father
Next one. Enough. Next one, Gagani.
On their return, the father asked his son how was the trip. "It was great, Dad," son replied. "Did you see how poor people live?" The father asked. "Why not?" replied son. "So tell me what you learned from the trip," asked the father. The son answered, "I saw that we have one dog and they had 4. We have a pool that
Enough.
reaches
Next one.
We have a pool that reaches to the middle of our garden, and they have a creek that has no end. We have important lanterns in our garden, and they have stars at night. We have a small piece of land to live on, and they have fields that go beyond our sight. We
Enough.
have
Next one. Nicoli.
We have servants who served us, but they served others. We buy our food, but they grow food. We have a wall around our property to protect us. They have friends to protect them. The father was speechless. Then
Good,
the
good. Clap
thanks,
them.
thanks Dad
African.
for showing me how poor we are.
Thanks, Dad, for showing me how poor we are. Very good. Very good. Group C. Group D, Melanie, Yenumi, Upeksha, and Chetana. Melanie, start.
Okay, sir. One day, a father of a wealthy family took his son on a trip to country to show how poor people live. They met a very poor family who lived on their farm. The father got permission from them to stay for 5 days with them.
Enough. Next one.
After spending a couple of days, they started returning home. On their return, the father asked him, "Son, how was the trip?" "It was great, Dad," son replied. "Did you see how poor people live?" the father asked. "Why not?" replied the son.
Next
"So tell me
one.
what."
Next.
"So tell me what you learned from the trip," asked the father. The son answered, "I saw that we have one dog and they had 4. We have a pool that reached to the middle of the garden, and they have a creek that has an end. We have imported land in our garden, and they have start at night. We have a small piece."
Enough. Chetana.
We have a small pieces of land to live on, and they have fields that beyond our sight. We have servants who serve us, but they serve others. We buy our food, but they grow food. We have a wall around our property to protect us. They have friends to protect them. Thank you.
The father was speechless.
The father was speechless. Then the son added, "Thanks, Dad, for showing me how poor we are." Thank
Okay,
you.
clap, clap, clap. Next team. Ahasna, can you hear? Ahasna, Ehansa, Disinu, and Nimna. Ahasna, can you hear the teacher? එයාට සර්ව ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ මට පේන. පෙහන්සා, දිසිනු, නිම්නා and Kasumi. Okay, Pehansa, start.
Okay, sir, thank you. One day, a father of a very wealthy family took his son on a trip to the country to show how poor people live. They met a very poor family who lived on their farm. The father got permission from them to stay for few days with them. After spending a couple of days, they started returning home. On their return, the father asked his son, "How was the trip?"
Enough. Next.
It was great, Dad. Son replied. Did you see how poor people live? The father asked. Why not? Replied the son. So tell me what you learned from the trip? Asked the father. The son answered, I saw that we have one dog and they had 4. We
Enough.
have a
Next
pool
one.
that
Nimna.
We have a pool that reaches to the middle of our garden, and they have a creek that has no end. We have imported lanterns in our garden, and they have stars at night. We have a small piece of land to live on, and they
Enough.
have fields.
Next one. Who is the next one? Kasuni.
Amanda.
Kasuni is silent. Who can continue it? කවුද එක කියන්න කැමති? Next part of that.
Harshi.
Okay, start. Harshi not. Harshi, you were in one group. දැන් මම මේ සමහර ළමයින්ට අවස්ථාව දෙන්නේ නැත්තේ මේ ළමයි එකක් මේ දැන් පියල් වසන්ත කියන ෆෝන් එකකින් ඉන්න දුව පුතා හරි නම වෙනස් කරගන්නකො තමන්ගේ නම දාගන්න රීනේම් කරලා නෙත්මි කියන දුව කැමරා ඔන් කරගන්න නැත්නම් මැසේජ් එකක් හරි යවන්න මට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඇයි කියන්නේ මෙලනි කැමරාව මුළු දවසේම ඔෆ් කරගෙන ඉඳියයි ඈ දැන් ඕගොල්ලොන්ට මේ හොඳට උගන්වන්න ඕන නිසා තමයි සමා වෙන්න මම මේ ස්ටුඩියෝ එකට ඇවිල්ලා මුදල් ගෙවලා කරන්නේ. තේරුණාද? ඕගොල්ලොන්ට මේ පන්තියෙන් ලැබෙන මුදල් වලින් විශාල ප්‍රමාණයක් සර්ට් ලැබෙන දුරින් I spend for this. Understood? I have to pay. so මගේ ගෙදර මෙච්චර පහසුකම් නැති නිසා ලයිටින් මදි තාම ඒක හදාගන්න පොඩි කාලයක් යනවා ඒ විදියටම හදන්න වියදමකුත් යනවා තින් මං ඒ නිසා මුදල් ගෙවලා I pay money and come here and teach. Now this is the third month මේ තුන්වෙනි මාසේ the month before last month and this month and I want to continue. එතකොට ඔයගොල්ලෝ හැමෝම මට සහාය දක්වන්න ඕන switch on the cameras.
Sir, I love
you
now.
join. What is the problem? Once also, same thing. Anyway,
Sir.
good morning to you. Good morning.
Good morning, not good morning, good evening.
නෑ මට දැනෙන්නේ good morning වගේ නේ කාලේ ගෙවිලා ගිහලා පුතියගෙන නේ. I feel good.
No, sir.
Why were you late to join?
I have a Tamil exam.
Okay, no problem. Right, good luck. Kasuni කැමරාව කොහොමද on කරගන්න. ඔබට තියෙන පහසුකම් වලින් ඔබ කැමරාව දිගටම on කරගෙන ඉන්න. ඕගොල්ලෝ දන්නේ නැහැ දැන් සමහර උඩ දක්ෂ මිදපු ළමයින්ට වඩා දැන් සමහර ළමයි දක්ෂතාවයෙන් උඩට ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. ඒගොල්ලෝ middle in they were in the middle, now they have come to the top. Top level එකේ ඉඳපු ළමයි පල්ලෙහාට දැන් ටිකක් ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා. මම දන්නවා. You don't understand. Then When I was in Nicoli, when I was in school, my English teacher always teased me from the ear, kneel down, foolish brat. I Mandaraga. Get out of this class, small dog. Huh? I just go out of the class. Come back here. Sit at the back. I sit there. So there was nobody to teach us. Mama ඒ තරම් දඩුවම් ලබලා තියෙනවා. I got many punishment. ගාල්ලේ ළමයි දන්නවා සංගාරණ at school. දන්නව නේද? You know?
Yes.
ලංකාවේ තිබුණු මන් දන්නේ වර්තමාන I don't know about the present situation. That was the best class Aditi. මුළු ලංකාවෙම තියෙන හොඳම ඉංග්‍රීසි පන්තිය නේසදිය සර් ඉගෙන ගත්තා. How many years? අමන්නේ කියලා කිව්වට ඕපදූප 5 years. How many years?
5 years.
5 years. 5 years.
Wait, how many days a week? සතියේ දවස් කීයද? 5 days.
7.
7.
How many days?
5 days.
Now you see, you have only 1 day. ඔබට තියෙන යනුක සර් හම්බෙන එක දවස්. සර් එක දවස් 5ක් ඉදියොත් කොහමද? හැබැයි සර්ව සමහර ළමයි දවස් 2ක් හම්බ වෙනව නේද? සමහර
Yes, sir.
සමහර අය
Yes, sir.
3 days. මාව දවස් 3ක් හම්බ වෙන ළමයි නිත්
Yes, sir, me too.
අන්න ඒගොල්ලෝ තමයි සුපිරි වැඩ වෙන්නේ කවදා? 3 days with the teacher. Superstars, dream stars, talent stars, little stars. They meet the teacher 3 days. එතකොට ගේ ළඟ ඉන්න අය ගාල්ලයට සර් නැවත හම් වෙන්න පුළුවන්. 4 days. දවස් 4ක් හම්බුනාම ඇති නේද? Enough or not?
Enough.
Not, sir.
Right.
Not enough.
ඒත් මදිද? ඒත් මදි.
Sir,
Yes,
I like to meet you all days.
All days. Thank you.
All days.
හැමදාම දවසදී හම්බෙන්නේ.
Before I join this class, I cannot do anything like writing essays, past tense, present tense. I cannot do anything. After joining this class, I improve myself.
Very good, very good. දැන් එහෙනම් අපි 6 වසර අවුරුද්දක් ඉඳියන. තව සති හැබැයි ලබන සතියේ මං 7 පටන් ගන්න බෑ මේ ටියුට් එක කුමාර සර් කෝ හිමීට ඉවර කරන්න කම්ප්ලීට් කරන්න යන්න. මොකද ලබන ටියුට් එක රෙඩි වෙන්න තව සතියක් යන නිසා එකමාර. I am doing quite well. හැබැයි මගේ හදවත ඇතුලෙන් today is the last day. මම හිතන් ඉන්නේ අද තමයි ඕගොල්ලෝ සර්ට හමු වෙන අන්තිම දවස. Right? Today is the last. Right? එමනිසා if you want to speak about the class පන්තිය ගැන සර් ගැන නරකත් හොඳත් කියන්න දැන් ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් අවස්ථාව දෙන්න. අපේ කුමාර සර් තමයි ඔබට සර්ව හඳුන්වන්නේ. කුමාර sir is the teacher who introduced Dilip sir to my teachers.lk. Understood? So so far I have done my duty to the very letter. Sir ගේ duty එක අවංකව හදවතට එකගව කියන sir ගේ duty එක කරා කියලා අත උස්සන්න.
Yes,
Sir ගේ hands up.
Yes, sir, you done it very well.
Your work well as possible.
Brilliant work. Amazing.
Right, thank you. ඔබ දන්නවා how the teacher work. ඒ වගේම I am happy to tell you
That's excellent.
December මාසෙ සිටත් sir ඔයගොල්ලෝ එක්ක ඉන්න. Right? That is a happy piece
Sir,
of
today
news.
is the last day.
Sir, are you with us in grade 7?
දෙසැම්බර් මාසේ ඉන්නවා grade 7 උත් මම ඉල්ලීමක් කරා. I made the request. Kumara sir, please give me grade
7.
7.
Sir, invite
yes.
my best friend.
Huh?
I have invite my best friend to join
Okay.
this class.
Has she joined?
No, no, she doesn't. She told me in January. She
Okay.
can join this class.
සිතුලි කැමරාව ඔන් කරගන්න වෙල්කම් ඔය ආදරෙන් පිළිගන්නවා අපේ පන්තියට රශ්මික තව අලුත් අය හැමෝම ඔබට වැඩ වැඩියෙන් තියෙන්නේ දෙසැම්බර් මාසේ ඩික්ටේෂන් වැඩ ටික වෙනම යනවා ඔබ මේ තියෙන පොත්වල ඉඩ තියෙනවා නම් ඒ පොත්ම ගන්න අලුත් ඕනේ නැති ළමයි පොත ඉවර නම් please take new books put new covers එතකොට මට 7 ශ්‍රේණියේ දැනට වැඩ කරගෙන යන්න සර් බලය ලබා දීලා තියෙනවා. ඒ නිසා සර් මට කිව්වා දිලීප සර් ඉක්මනින් ටියුට් එකේ වන්න දෙසැම්බර් මාසයේ සර් දිලීප සර් ඉන්න. හරිනේ? That is a happy piece of news. හැබැයි ඒකම ඔබ හොඳට වැඩ කරොත් මම කියනවා grade 8 උත් මට දෙන්න. ඔයගොල්ලෝ ඉන්නව නේද?
Yes,
And if you do very well, Tahodin Karot, give me grade 9.
9. And
Okay.
10, 11 also.
ඊට පස්සේ මට ඉංග්‍රීසි ඉංග්‍රීසි බෑනේ. මම කොහොම හරි තව ටිකක් ඉගෙනගෙන මම කියනවා give me grade 10.
That's a good.
Right. ඊට පස්සේ give me grade 11, grade 12, grade 13 campus අන්තිම lifetime English. හරි.
It's
Okay,
good.
sir. That's great.
Excuse me, sir.
Please
Right. When you until you go to campus යනකම් පුළුවන්. Until you get married, you can learn. Huh? Right. ඔයගොල්ලන්ට එච්චර කාලයක් ඉගෙන ගන්න සරගෙන අවස්ථාව තියෙන හැබැයි මේ
Sir,
පන්තියෙන්
Please
Hanging,
confirm,
hanging.
are you coming?
කුමාර්
with-
සර් බොහොම හොඳ සැලසුමක් යොදලා තියෙනවා. ඔබ පන්තිය රැඳෙන්න. ඒකම මම සර්ගෙන් පොඩි ඉල්ලීමක් කරා. මෙන්න මේ ඉල්ලීම හැබැයි වැරදි ලෙස පාවිච්චි කරන්න එපා. මම සර්ගෙන් ඉල්ලීමක් කරා. I made a request. කුමාර සර් ඉංග්‍රීසි පන්තියේ ලින්ක් එක මට සියලුම ළමයින්ට දාන්න ඉඩ දෙන්න. මට අවස්ථාව දුන්නා. එතකොට මුදල් නොගෙව්වත් මේ පන්තියට එන්න පුළුවන්. තේරුණාද? හැබැයි ඔබ එහෙම කරන්න එපා. තේරුණාද? ඔබ අදාළ මාසේ ක්ලාස් ෆීස් කුමාර සර්ගේ වෙබ් එකෙන් ගෙවලා පන්තියට සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න. ඔබ යාළුවන්ට ලින්ක් යවන්න ලෑස්ති වෙන්න එපා දැනට. හැබැයි දෙසැම්බර් මාසේ පුළුවන්. දෙසැම්බර් මාසේ යාළුවන් ඉන්නවනම් come and see. දිලීප සර් කියලා දෙනවනේ මොකද්ද?
come and see.
එහි පස්සේ
බලන්න. යනුක invite. ඒක සර් බලන්න නෙමෙයි හොඳද? Come and see the class.
Yes, sir. I invite my best friend. Her name is Biseni.
Okay, good. Damsadi, invite your best friend.
Yes.
Right? Mama, ලබන සතියේ බලනවා Aditi, did you invite who is your friend? Okay, sir, I invited my Niruka. Who is your best friend? Did you invite? එසදී ඕගොල්ලෝ දිනපු ජයග්‍රහණ ගැන කියන්න, ඔබේ දියුණුව ගැන කියන්න. myteachers.lk කියන්න. අනිත් විෂයන් ගැන කියන්න. අපේ හොඳ ටීම් එකක් ඉන්නවා. අපේ චාමර සර් නේද?
Pasum sir, Udayanga sir.
කසුන් අර සුදු සර් ලස්සන කසුන් සර් නේද? And සේන රංජිත් අර මහත සර් නේද? Right. මනුර සර් අපේ සුදු සර් right. අපේ දෙමළ සර් හොඳ දක්ෂ ගුරුවරයෙක් අර දෙමළ උගන්වන්නේ නේද? හින්දි නළුවෙක් වගේ නේද? අර දෙමළ ෆිල්ම් වල ඉන්නේ බැරවරයෝගේ පැත්තේ නේද? දැන් සර් කියන්න එපා මං මෙලනි සර් කියන්න එපා එහෙම කිව්වා කියලා හොඳයි. හරි.
රෙකෝඩින් වෙනවනේ.
කමක් නෑ මේ රෙකෝඩින් වෙනවනේ ආර්ටි සර් බැලුවොත් ඉවරයි. කමක් නෑ මේ සර් අපේ ගෙවල් ඉඳන් කිලෝමීටර් 20ක් 30ක් ඉන්නේ. එතකොට මට දුගල බේරෙන්න කාලය තියෙනවා.
Nishadi teacher.
right Nishadi teacher I see ඒ කොල්ට වඩා අපේ නායකයා කුමාරජාන එයා තමයි ලීඩර් තමයි
Joining Kumarjana Priya's class.
good ඔපේ
My
නංගිල
mother
මල්ලි
told
ඉන්නවනම්
that
you can
my
invite
mother told that my sister will add it to Kumarjana Priya's grade 3 class
very
next
good
week.
very good
Grade 4 class in my sister.
හරි දැන් මේ අපි හැමෝම අය බලන්න මේ පන්තියේ හැමෝටම everybody දැන් හැමෝටම ඉංග්‍රීසි කතා කරන්න පුළුවන් නේද ටික ටික ඇත්තටම කියන්නේ yes
Yes, sir.
can speak the class
Very well, sir.
I'm very happy
We can very well speak English now.
and make sure when I come to your house I can't understand Sinhala all right you must come and welcome me hello sir come and take a seat thank you Nicole thank you how are you sir how did you travel yes I came all the way by
You live.
then Dulina asked sir do you like to have a cup of tea or a cup of coffee okay fresh cup of tea in English then your parents will be very
Happy.
happy father mother everybody
Question
teacher.
is, are you tired after driving?
yes and you are very happy parents are happy but people who are jealous of you ඔබට ඊර්ෂ්‍යා කරන අයට මොකෝ වෙන්නේ they will have heart attack heart failures අන්න ඊර්ෂ්‍යා කරන මේ දරුවා
Sir, it's not matter.
It's not a matter.
Yes, sir. It's not matter.
අහන් ඉන්න ලබන අවුරුද්දේ මම විශේෂ වෙනස්කම් කීපයක් කරනවා පන්ති මෙන්න මේව තමයි වෙනස්කම් දැන් මේ ටිකේ අපිට ඩික්ටේෂන් මම දුන්නේ නැත්තේ last 4 month සිලබස් එකේ වැඩ වැඩි නිසා ආයේ අපි පටන් ගන්නවා ස්පෙල් මාස්ටර් සීසන් 2 අර ඩ්‍රීම් ස්ටාර් සීසන් 2 වගේ ස්පෙල් මාස්ටර් සීසන් 2 essay book එක වෙනම maintain වෙන්න ඕන grade 6 essay ටික නැවත චුට්ටක් එනවා 7 some more difficult essays මම රචනා මේ පාර මාසයකට එක බැගින් රචනා තරගයක් තියෙනවා හොඳයි නේද
Good side. Sir.
Good idea, sir. That's a good idea.
right ගගනි හැබැයි රචනා නොලියුවොත් what will happen kick off the house I will send a letter to your mother dear Damsadi's mother she has not completed her essay please put her out of her room and put her out 2 days outside the house this is English teacher Salipa Dimpat
It's Dilip Sampath.
It's not Salipati, but it's Dilip Sampath.
and I write a letter Upeksha's mother Upeksha has not completed the homework don't give her food for 3 days put her inside the dark room this is Dilipa Sampath like that then I write dear Nicola's mother Harshi has placed first in the essay competition many congratulations please give her a very valuable gift Salipa Dimpat sir
No, sir. Dilip Sampath, sir.
right like that ඔගොල්ලෝ ආසයි නේද එහෙම ලියුමක් ගෙදරට එනවනම්
Yes, sir.
I like most.
අපි බලමු wait ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ ඇඩ්‍රස් ටික මම ගන්නවා ළඟදී ඒ බොරුවට නෙමෙයි සර් කිව්වොත් වැඩ ගොඩක් කළා තියෙන්නේ. essay 15ක් කරනකොට කරා. lessons ටික syllabus ඉවර කරා.
She
Speech කරා.
essay.
If I say something I mean it. සර් දෙයක් කිව්වොත් කොහොම හරි කරනවා. එතකොට මම පෑන් ටිකක් පෙන්නුවා නේද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට එවන?
Sir, we should. Yes, sir.
but මට පොඩි කනගාටුවකුත් තියෙනවා. I am not happy අන්තිම කාලය මෙතන ඉන්නවා there are some කම්මැලි students.
Lazy students.
මම දන්නේ ඉංග්‍රීසි මම කියවල මම දන්නේ. හරි. There are some කම්මැලි students. Right? So they never give me a call, never study. වැඩ කරන්නේ නැති ළමයි myteachers.lk එන්න එපා. ඒ ළමයි වෙන වෙබ් එකකට ගිහිල්ලා සම්බන්ධ වෙලා ඉන්න මේකට එන්න බෑ. මේකට එනයි හොඳට වැඩ කරන්න. You have to. Final moment අන්තිම මොහොත මම ගන්නවා. වෙලාව අපි ඉවරයි මොකද මගේ ස්පෝකන් පන්තියේ වැඩ දැන් පටන් ගන්න අවශ්‍යයි. පන්තියේ ළමයි 3 දෙනෙක් විතරක් අවස්ථාව දෙනවා. ඔබට ඉංග්‍රීසි පන්තිය ගැන මොනවා හරි ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කියන දෙයක් තියෙනවා නම් වාක්‍ය 6ක්.
have a thing to say.
Not everybody. හැමෝටම බෑ. නිකොලිට අවස්ථාව දෙන්න. I would like to give a chance first.
Sir, this English class is very good, and I took some lessons. It's good, and now I can write essays and read paragraph and other things. Thank you for teaching me and other friends.
Very good. Clap.
Sir, can I tell?
I would like to ask කවුද අත උස්සන්නේ තව?
Sir, can I tell? Sir.
Peyans speak.
Sir, first I welcome for you teach me and others, and I came to this class for January month, and after that I do work for very happily, and now I can speak English and write essays and do many works, and first time welcome to Kumar Janapriya sir, and after that you and my dear friends, thank you for teaching me and my dear friends.
Good. Clap.
Sir, I am Melanie. Can I?
Sir, I
Uh,
am enemy. I have a chance.
Okay, Melanie, you can speak.
Sir, first of all, I am thank to the founder of this website, Mr. Kumar Janapriya sir. He is the one who tell me to join this class. It's a very good class, and I'm really thankful to you, sir. Actually, I didn't have friends at Vishaka College because they are always speaking in English. I was so shy to talk with them. Speak with them. They knew that I can't speak in English. I felt embarrassing, and actually my shy was disappear because of this class. I always gave speeches and essays. These days I become silent in the class. I'm so sorry about that. Actually, I'm truly sorry about that. It was the biggest mistake in my life. I'm really sorry. Again and again I'm telling that I'm really sorry, but I'm very thankful to you, sir, because of you and lot of teachers in my teachers.lk and other English mediums teachers was teach me how to speak English, and they helped me and my brothers also, and my family members. That actually you organize a class called Brilliant Way course. It is conducting on Thursday 6 a.m. Actually, I'm very happy about that class. Also, because of that class, I started to speak English with my brothers and my mother. My mother also starts to speak English. She didn't have any knowledge about English. I'm really glad that she started to speak English. Actually, sir, because of you,
my mother and me got a lot of knowledge in English. Actually, when I'm from little, I really want to speak English and other language fluently. But the thing was, I'm very shy from the beginning. But I really have talent, but I didn't show off to others. But because of you, I uh, I able to show off my talents.
Thank you,
And
Dua.
thank
Thank you very much. Clap. Thank you. You gave us very valuable ideas. So my heart
actually,
filled with pleasure.
Actually, you don't want to thank to me. I'm the one who should thank to you.
No.
Actually, like this. Thank you for giving me a chance to talk about this class. I have more ideas about this class, but I couldn't able to tell that because these days I was really silent of my personal things.
It's okay. Forget
Ane
Dua.
I'm
Thank you.
so sorry about that. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
And
Thank you
thank you
for
so
your
much.
ideas. That's why I told you thank you, especially for giving us valuable ideas. So who would like to speak then
Sir, I
about
have one
I
thing.
like, sir.
Sir,
Dulina, speak.
uh,
Dulina, quickly.
Okay, sir, the class is very good. This is a better class in Sri Lanka. So I learned many things through this class. Not only syllabus, sir. I learned through this class about life. Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome, Dulina, always. Okay. Thank you for your ideas. Then who would like to speak? Last 2 minutes.
Sir, I can. I'm Yanumi.
Enemy. Okay, enemy, start.
First of all, I like to thank you very, very much, sir, because you are the best teacher I ever saw in English classes. I still remember the first paragraph I give you as the reading. When I'm joining this class, in the first few days, I was being very silent because I even didn't know how to read the English book. I didn't ever read the English book because I didn't have much knowledge to read. So you told me that in my first paragraph, brilliant enemy, you are very good as English and you are a good girl. So more, and I still remember them, and thank you again, sir. Of course, Kumar Janapriya sir, he's the founder and he also invited us. And for the friends, they all give us knowledge, and the spoken English class is also very good, sir. When I asked from my father what are the meaning of those words or those idioms, he didn't even know what are those. Then I love him. I think that he know everything, but much saying he don't know anything I know, and it's very funny. I
Excellent.
laugh and laugh him, but now I can't talk with my father in Sinhala. My mother tells me speak to father in English. Now I also speak with my friends, and Harshi, I always chat with her. I have her number and I chat with her in English. And
Yes,
also many friends, Melanie and Sarada. I have many friends in this online class, and I have met very big friends in this class in Colombo, Gaul, Mata, and also many places. And I like to thank you again and again to give this chance.
Clap. Thank you, Dua.
very much.
Thank you. Friends in need, friends indeed. Basta pirla. Friends, a friend in need is a friend indeed. Friends in need are friend indeed.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yanime is chatting with me also Sunday and Saturday. We are calling sometimes and taking homeworks. She's the best friend in my life.
Okay. Nesandi, do you want to speak finally?
Yes, sir. I could improve my knowledge, sir. I can read storybooks now, sir.
Right. Anyway, thank you. You are a good writer in our class. Thank you for your ideas. මම කැමතියි නෙසන්දි ඔබට පුළුවන් නම් you can join our spoken English class. ඔයාගේ writing පැත්ත ගොඩක් හොඳයි. ඔව් අපේ spoken පන්තියෙන් තමයි දුරින් අපි මැනික් කරන්නේ නේද? We polish the things, speech and මම ඒනිකයි ඔයගොල්ලන්ට කිව්වේ openly I invite කරනවා නෙසන්දිට යෙනුකටත්. අපගේ යෙනුක දැන් හොඳ writer කෙනෙක් වෙලා ඉන්නේ. හැබැයි speaker කෙනෙක් වෙන්න යෙනුක අපේ spoken පන්තියේ කත්තල් බඳ ගන්න. Come and join hands. ඔබ තවත් උඩට පියාඹල යාවි like an eagle. I am very sorry I cannot give everybody chances to speak. Tamsadi, do you want to speak a few sentences about the class?
Okay, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity to me. I like this class. In my first day, you gave me a opportunity to read in a paragraph. And this is the best class of the world, I thought.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes, sir. Not only from Sri Lanka.
Yes,
From the world
you can.
and the
No, you
Yeah.
can use the word the best class in the world, no problem, but not the best teacher. Like not the best teacher, a small teacher.
no,
Not,
sir, you are the best
Right,
teacher ever
okay.
shown.
You are the best among English teachers.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you for joining, everybody. Thank you very much. Today is the last day of November. We will be back next, December first week. හැබැයි මේ ටියුට් එක අතාරින්නේ අපි මේක finish කරලා අපි second week of December grade 7 pre preparation ටියුට් එක දාලා තියෙන පෙර සූදානම pre preparation for grade 7 ඒ ටියුට් එකත් මගේ කාර් එකේ දැනුත් තියෙනවා හැබැයි කුමාර සර් print කරාට පස්සේ තමයි අපිට පෙන්නන්නේ. I can show you. Thank you for joining. අපි spoken පන්තිය සම්බන්ධ වෙන අයට අවශ්‍ය වෙලාවට සම්බන්ධ වෙන. Today we will start at 7:35.
35.
Have a nice day. Good night, children.
Good night, sir. Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. How does she speak?
No, these days my mom call you because I have a chess tournament that's in December second week, I think, on Monday, and I should join it in early morning at 6 a.m. and I will send you my result after the
Sure.
chess.
Okay, good luck, Dua. You will be a champion. Good luck.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Good
Okay.
night.
Good night.
Excuse